This has the original wooden little people inside. The yellow hat, the little girl with the blue bottom and the red hair, and the original dog. And those are hardcore wooden little people. I got $80 for one of those ones. Just one little.
Oh wow! $80?
Yeah, I did. I did.
Crazy.
And then they come in all different colors and types, and then some are more rare than others.
Yesterday, Danna saw those Fisher Price toys and like nearly lost her mind. Can you tell us a little bit more about those?
Yeah, I can give you a little bit more. All the Fisher Price toys were made in East Aurora, New York, which is funny. That's where I was living. So
Is it Eastern Europe?
East Aurora.
Oh, East Aurora. Okay.
East Aurora, New York. The home of the Roycrofters, the home of Fisher Price.
Gotcha.
And Fisher Price made all of their toys there. They've been around since the 30s, and they've done a huge amount of toys over the years. The early toys are obviously worth a lot of money, the ones that are made out of wood, real wood. Today's toys are made out of plastic. They're not quite the same. There are some significant toys. There are some pieces of toys that are more expensive than the toy itself. Mm-hmm. They made a milk cart way back in I believe the 30s, and they had little glass bottles. The glass bottle was maybe an inch and a half. They're harder to find than the toy is.
Really?
So you just never know what's going to be collectible. You never know what's going to be great about East Aurora toys, from Fisher Price. It's just, again, a wild diversity of items out there. There are hardball collectors for this stuff that will travel miles to get a piece, not the whole toy, just to get a piece. You really got to look for quality. Mm-hmm. You've got to look for the older things. They're all wood, but you really have to look at the quality of the item, because there were hundreds of thousands of these items. It wasn't like they just made one. I mean,
right.
This was a toy to be played with. It was something that probably got kicked around the house pretty hard and everything else. So when you find one in mint condition, that's what the collectors go for. That's what they're really, really looking for. Mm-hmm. The quality and the top of the line.